Good morning, students. Here we see the method second of auxiliary equation. Here dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r is equal to a dx plus b dy plus c dz, and ap plus bq plus cr, a1 dx plus b1 dy plus c1 dz divided by a1p plus b1q plus c1r. Then a dx plus b dy plus c dz divided by ap plus bq plus cr is equal to a1 dx plus b1 dy plus c1 dz divided by a1p plus b1q plus c1r. Then the solution of this equation, there are two solutions. u1 xyz is equal to u2 xyz plus c1, and v1 xyz is equal to v2 xyz plus c2. And example is solve dx by y plus z is equal to dy by z plus x is equal to dz by x plus y. Then denote here each ratio by k. Dx by y plus z is equal to dy by z plus x is equal to dz divided by x plus y is equal to k. Then k is equal to dx minus dy divided by x minus y. Here dx minus dy, and this is the value is x minus y, is equal to dy minus dz divided by y minus z, or dx minus dy divided by y minus x is equal to dy by dz divided by z minus y. And d of this is the given first ratio here, dx minus y x minus d means the derivative of x minus divided by x minus y is equal to dy minus z divided by y minus z. By integrating here means the derivative of x minus y divided by x minus y is equal to derivative of y minus z divided by y minus z. And derivative of denominator is in numerator, and this is the log of x minus y is equal to log y minus z plus log c1. And then log x minus y, this value transfer in left hand side, minus log y minus z is equal to log c1. And here minus log, then dividation of log, and log x minus y divided by minus y minus z by the rule of logarithm here, and is equal to log c1. And log get cancelled, means x minus y divided by y minus z is equal to c1. Similarly, second ratio are given, dx minus dy divided by y minus is equal to, add this all this term means dx plus dy plus dz, y plus z plus z plus x plus z plus y, and dx minus dy divided by y minus is equal to dx plus dy plus dz divided by twice x plus y plus z. Solving this equation, here twice x plus y plus z, and this value is transferred in left hand cross multiplication here, minus twice dx minus dy divided by x minus y is equal to dx plus dy plus dz divided by x plus y plus z. Then derivative of x plus y plus z here, x plus y plus z plus twice derivative of x minus y divided by x minus y is equal to 0. And then by integrating here, derivative of x plus y plus z divided by x plus y plus z plus twice derivative of x minus y divided by x minus y is equal to 0. And then derivative log, this is the log of x y z, log of x plus y plus z plus twice log x minus y is equal to log c1, and then log of x plus y plus z and x minus y whole square. By the rule of logarithm, 2 is square of this log, and x minus y square is equal to log c1. Log of get cancel here, and x plus y plus z and x minus y whole square is equal to c1. And this is the solution of equation. This is the first solution, and this is the second solution of equation. Okay.